Budapest is the capital of Hungary and one of the most beautiful cities in Europe, with a rich historical, architectural, and cultural heritage. Budapest is an exciting combination of ancient history and rich culture, elegant architecture, and the dynamics of a modern metropolis. Some fall in love with it immediately, others become devoted fans only after a long stay. But no one denies that this is one of the most beautiful cities in the world. This is the largest city in the country, which is often called the Paris of the East and the Pearl of the Danube. Novosibirsk is located on the famous Trans-Siberian Railway. The city was built on the banks of the Ob, the longest river in Russia. Let us go for a walk around the capital of Siberia. This capacious sightseeing tour of the Siberian capital at the beginning of spring, mid-March 2023. Feel the dynamics and power of the young city. Our journey will be through the industrial region of Novosibirsk. Here you will not see skyscrapers, as in the center of the city. There will be no historical buildings either. It will be an ordinary Novosibirsk without gloss and a beautiful center. Jaffa is the old city of Tel Aviv. This is the exact opposite of noisy and youthful Tel Aviv. Here you can wander through the narrow ancient streets and study history. Jaffa has everything for a relaxing holiday: cozy restaurants, beautiful seascapes, and interesting monuments. Now Tel Aviv and Jaffa are one city. The unification did not affect the appearance of the city. He retained his calm atmosphere. In recent years, Jaffa has become a tourist destination and the abode of Israeli bohemians. Here you can find many workshops, art boutiques, galleries, theaters, and museums. Are you ready to explore one of the most vibrant and historic cities in Greece? With this walking tour of Thessaloniki, get ready to wander the winding streets of this vibrant metropolis. So put on your walking shoes and get ready for an unforgettable adventure in Thessaloniki. On the coast of the Thermikos Gulf is the cultural capital of Greece, Thessaloniki. The cradle of the country as national culture is called the city of three civilizations: Roman, Hellenistic, and Byzantine. Roman columns, early Christian, and Byzantine cathedrals, Turkish mosques can impress the most demanding tourist. Healing thermal springs, clean lakes, and a wonderful climate have brought Thessaloniki the glory of an open-air resort. Developed infrastructure, a lot of nightclubs, and marine entertainment attract outdoor enthusiasts to the city. It is impossible to be bored in Thessaloniki. Here everyone will find a lot of interesting and exciting things for themselves. Thank you for watching this video. If you found my video interesting and want to know more about my adventures, please like the WebTV channel and subscribe to it. You can also leave a comment and leave a review. See you, bye-bye.